Hello! Let's go to Disadeco Hotel, Resorts, and Event Center located at Bayongbong, Nueva Vizcaya. So, we traveled from Quirino and arrived at 8 p.m. here. So, we decided to check in and get this room for 1,500, 12 hours, and additional if you have kids. This is our room. Gusto na nga sanang mag-swimming ng anak namin kaso masyado nang late, so matutulog na lang kami. So let's review this room. And in the morning, this is the view. So aesthetic. Talaga namang kahit mag-staycation ka, pwede kang mag-picture-picture na lang dito. And this is their pool. So kasama na to sa binayaran namin. Free pool access. After swimming, naligo na din kami at nag-prepare for my sister's event. So, kumain na muna kami. And of course, coffee. So, my sister paid 3,500 for this covered venue. Hindi included yung mga chairs and decorations kasi nag-hire sila for this. And for the cake, my sister baked this. She has a page. If taga Quirino kayo, you can order from her.